All right, spring break weather is perfect. I mean, this is
really
just
has
really
been.
nice, really
Yeah.
mild, good warm air out there, lots of sunshine, but lots of wind in the forecast. But first things first, on the spring break, the kids can stay up a little later and catch tonight's lunar eclipse. So it begins tonight, but it really goes into Friday morning as we begin a partial eclipse just after midnight. And then notice that the total lunar eclipse, this is when the Earth's shadow is going to be cast upon the moon's surface, begins at about 1:30 in the morning and will last until about 2:30. So you can see it right in there between, again, 1:30 and 2:30 a.m. If you're going to sleep in instead, save the date. Almost a year from now, March 3rd, 2026 will be the next lunar eclipse. Good stuff tonight in our skies. All right, speaking of our skies this afternoon, well, first the heat, 92 at Lackland, 86 at Bernie. So not as hot as yesterday, 92 Lavernia, but boy, we're close. We've got some mid-90s down to the south and to the west where they were hitting like 101 yesterday. With our 90 comes a west-southwest breeze just under 10 miles per hour and a dew point of 31. Not too bad. Really nice evening, nice and warm. Enjoy. We've got some high-level clouds coming in. You can also see the big thunderstorms ripping out across East Texas last night. But this blockbuster storm here that caused all the weather that was off the top of our show, this is going to write a lot of headlines. I mean, you can already see it digging in over Southern California. This upper-level system, I mean, look at the scope of it. I mean, it is huge. This is going to be moving right across the country. Now, we're going to probably see more winds than anything else off of this. Unfortunately, no rain. Now, look at the southeast winds really picking up from the Gulf tonight at about 11 o'clock. So we'll get a little breezy tonight. Then during the day tomorrow, early won't be as bad as later. So this is 2 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Wind gusts are going near 30 miles per hour on Friday, and we're expecting the same again on Saturday. Another big push of winds. In fact, by Saturday, they're going up over 30 to even 40 mile per hour wind gusts. So very windy conditions both Friday and Saturday lead us to a red flag warning. Now, this will be also upgraded to a fire weather watch come Saturday, and it's for all of us. And it's mainly because we're going to have an extreme risk of fire danger on Friday, Saturday. Remember just how dry we are. We're in exceptional drought. When these high winds come in, Texas A&M Forest Service says almost the entire state of Texas is going to be in an extreme risk of seeing wildfires get out of control. So no outside burning Friday, Saturday. Please be extra careful around the grill. Also, any kind of vehicle, it's got a hitch. Make sure it's not skipping on the pavement and causing any sparks. Watch the cigarettes and cigars out the car window. All right, 14-day forecast. Windy Friday, Saturday, both. In fact, Saturday's red flag warning and fire weather watch has us with a weather impact alert for Saturday. Notice that Saturday and Sunday will be a little bit cooler, highs around 80. Then we're warming right back up. St. Patrick's Day, 83. Tuesday that follows, 85. 90 on Wednesday before a cooler first day of spring. Thursday the 20th, 83. And then you can see a slight chance of rain Saturday the 22nd and again Tuesday the 25th.